Did you start it?
Yeah.
Alright, we got a new bed for the dogs, a new Costco bed. Look at the new bed.
Frankie!
You ready for the bed? Come on, Frank, I got a new bed. We got a new bed for you.
Look at her tail.
Watch out, watch out, we're going to put it down. There it is, that's your new bed. Try it out. Try it out. What do you think? Do you like it? Frank, you try it out too. There you go. Tell me what you think, buddy.
What do you think, bud?
Do you think it's going to work? What do you think? What do you think?
That's it? What do we think?
Try it.
What do you think of the bed?
There you go. Try laying down on it. Try laying... Oh. Did you get that? There you go. Paw a little bit. Don't hurt it, though. Don't hurt it, though. That's okay. That's okay. Now try laying on it. Oh. You like it? Okay, well, where are you going? Where are you going with it? Oh, no, don't bite it. Hey, don't bite it. It's your bed. Don't bite it. Try laying on it. Try laying on it.
Frankie, go lay on your bed.
You want me to help you lay on it? Come on. Come on. Come up here. There you go. Lay down.